Alright, so we cranked it over, and the little, this is inside the oil filter, and the little drain back valve is right here. So basically, when the when the oil filter is in, it pushes that down and closes it up, and it doesn't allow the oil to drain back into the channels. So when you crank it over with that button pushed in, it should start supplying the housing with oil and filling up this channel. Right now we're getting nothing, so this is a good indication that it could be a lower end problem for like oil pressure. They got a low oil pressure pump on the bottom. It's in front of the crankcase. It's right in front of the right behind the harmonic balancer, and it's a gyrated gear that pumps this oil up into the upper side and then supplies the high pressure side. We're gonna check first. This is your low oil pressure sensor. We're gonna pull the sensor out and put a gauge right there and see what we're getting from the low pressure side.